River. Today I'm excited to be having a look at the Yowie's Blast from the past series. This series is awesome because they've brought back favourites from previous series so older Yowie fans can finish off their collections from years ago. Or newer fans like me can start our earlier collections for the first time. Let's get into it. I'm so excited. This looks awesome. All of these guys are guardians of different natural habitats, helping to protect the world for all the animals that live in it. You guys already know which one's my favourite. Let's start with Boof. I wonder which earlier series this surprise will be from. Yowie Surprise-Inside chocolate sustainably sourced and is gluten-free, nut-free, and non-GMO too, which is pretty epic. What do you think they'll find? Here's some facts about this amazing animal. The North American beaver is famous for its building skills. A beaver's dam forms a safe pond for its home building or lodge. Dams allow safe swimming to trees, its main food source. Formerly trapped by fur hunters, but currently protected and increasing in numbers. Let's make sure those numbers keep going up. I never thought I'd get the chance to collect one of these. I think he's safe in here. When we purchase Yowie, it helps Yowie to support wildlife conservation around the world. Should we see what other surprises are in here? He looks pretty cute. And his name's Crag. Let's read some facts about this Crag. Crag is the meanest looking of all the Yowies, but behind that crocodilian smile is a heart that's as kind as it is courageous. Vigilant keeper of his habitat, Crag leaves nothing to chance in defending all the wet and muddy creatures living in the marshlands and swamps. To learn all about him, visit yowieworld.com and watch Crag's very own cartoon on our YouTube channel. You're pretty cute. Ow, feisty. I love how this series allows us to see collectibles from the earlier series again. There's heaps of them to find. But Blast from the Past is only out for a super limited time, so we'd all better get collecting. See ya! Say bye, guys. See ya!